Hello, I'm Grace Mortimer, creator of Instagram page My First Meals. I'm very excited to announce that I have teamed up with Victory Leisure Homes to create a booklet of recipes to put in their amazing lodges. We are currently in the Faraday Lodge today, and I am going to be cooking the sausage and leek risotto. So first things first, I need to wash my hands. Okay, so you're going to start by chopping your leek into nice big even chunks, like this. Ooh, nearly lost one. Okay, then obviously we're going to throw away the end bit. I'm going to scoop those into a bowl, save them for later. And then on a separate board, we are going to chop the sausages into rough chunks, like this. Don't worry too much if they're not in beautifully neat slices. They're only going to be fried off anyway. Ooh. Might speed things up, do them all together. That makes a lot more sense. Right. There we go. Doesn't matter too much what they look like. And there we go. So you're going to want to measure out a cup of risotto rice, being careful not to spill too much all over the kitchen worktops. And there we go. That's roughly a cup. Pop this away. Right, so you're going to want to put a good drizzle of olive oil in your pan on a medium heat, and just when it feels hot and you sort of smell the oil slightly, then you're going to add your chopped sausages. Now add those in. And we're going to fry them until they're nice and brown and crispy. Don't worry what shape they're in, they're all going to get broken up anyway. Push them around. Alright, so now that we've got the sausages nice and crispy, we are going to add our risotto rice. Sprinkle it all around. And you're going to want to toast it for about 2 minutes or until you can smell it. I know that sounds like a slightly strange thing to say, but you will be able to smell warm toasty rice, and at that point you want to add your stock. So I'm just going to make sure that it's definitely all got the sausage fat on it. That will help it toast quicker. Okay, so the rice is starting to go ever so slightly golden, so you're going to want to add the stock just a little bit at a time, and then you've got to keep stirring it. And the rice will slowly absorb the stock and go creamy. So now that the rice is about halfway cooked, we're going to add our leeks, and then they are going to need to cook down. So don't forget, if your risotto looks like it's going a bit dry and you've used up your stock, just add boiling water and add it slowly until the rice is fully cooked. So now that our rice is cooked, we're going to turn the heat off and add 3 tablespoons of single cream. You can use double if you like, but I like single, it's easier to stir. And then you're just going to mix that all the way through, and that just makes the rice really nice and creamy, like this. Right, now we are ready to serve. So, depending on how hungry you are, of course, make sure you get plenty of the sausagey bits. There we go. Plonk some in a bowl. It's also very nice cold if there's any leftovers. So obviously you don't have to, but you can add some Parmesan, grated or shaven like this, however you like, on top. There we go. There we go. Right. Also very nice, on top is a wedge of lemon just squeezed across the top. So, try not to get too many pips in there. Okay, and there you have it, sausage and leek risotto.